Okay, for Christmas, my wife bought me the OLIGHT Marauder Mini. Now, they are not sponsoring this video. She bought me this for Christmas, so we paid for it. But it was a Black Friday deal, and I wanted to show you what came with it. I've already opened everything, I've already charged everything, but I just reboxed it, so I wanted to show you guys what came in the box. And I will be taking this on the camping video. So they send you this calendar, came with it. I don't know a lot about batteries. The battery that with the flashlight came in this box. As you see, I already opened it. Like I said, I've already charged it. So now one of the things, it comes with this nice nylon pouch. You can put the flashlight in. Set that aside for now. A little key flashlight. Put that on your keychain. You twist it, turn it on, I think. Let's see. Yeah. You can see it's fairly bright for a little key flashlight. Side. It's called an OLIGHT Marauder safety light, and this thing it's got a little hook that comes with it, and there's two lights on it, and it twists off. Each side will twist off, and you have to charge each side, and it's got a button on each side of it. Anyway, you can, and so it does different, lights up different ones. There's that one, it's red, solid green, blue, and then white, and then back to multi, and then you press it in to stop it. And I guess you can hang it up from your tent and whatever you want to do. So like I said, they just twist off, pops off, and then there's a place here, and it comes with has a little charging cable inside the box, and you plug it into USB and charge it. And then it's got that there's a little hole inside of it, and it just fits back in there and locks into place. So anyway, pretty neat. They give you this little OLIGHT fashion, and anyway, it's a little headlamp. So it's fairly, it's fairly bright. This is not rechargeable. So I guess it says, if you can see it on there, it's red. I didn't know it changed colors. There's red flashing. So a little Christmas card they give you with it. And then the OLIGHT itself. Comes a nice box. The box has a magnetic pull to it. So it opens up. And then it's got instructions on it, and you will unscrew the bottom and put the battery in, and it tells you how to do that. And then it'll have this tab that tells you how to set the battery up and how to do the flashlight. And they got a little thing in here. Thank you for being part of our OLIGHT family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, OLIGHT team. It's pretty nice. Anyway, it comes in a nice box, nice, secure. Here's the flashlight. It says thank you in the bottom of it. And it's real sturdy, real well made. It's got this rubber handle on it. It's got a lanyard that comes with it. Let's see if it's, which is in this box in here. So the lanyard, you can hook up that with it. I have not done that yet. I will be doing that. And then the charging cable is pretty neat. So it's USB, and then on the end of it is magnetic, and you just take it on the end of your light, and you just magnetic fits on there like that, and then plug it in, and this piece here will turn red, and when it gets charged it should turn green and let you know it's charged. The light itself, you'll turn this 90 degrees and then press it in, and it turns the light on. On this side it tells you your battery life, and it's probably going to be kind of hard to see on the camera, and I need to pull this off. There's a little bit of stuff on there. So anyway, on this side, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this side will tell your battery life, and then this side is the intensity of the light, how much light you want, and dial it down, and it also changes color. So on the inside you've got your spotlight and then your floodlights, and then also it changes. You can have red, blue, and green in here. That's the OLIGHT Marauder Mini. This sucker is bright. It's 7,000 lumen. Now before she purchased this for me a while back, I bought this JobSmart flashlight. Used to you could get it at Tractor Supply. I'm not sure if you can get them anymore. And this is supposed to be a 3,500 lumen flashlight. It's got the little LED light in there, and it's got kind of the bulbed glass. So this was my brightest flashlight in my arsenal until this light, and we're going to be doing a comparison. So it's going to be the JobSmart 3,500 lumen versus the OLIGHT Marauder Mini 7,000 lumen. Going head to head. We'll see which we're already going to know which one's brighter, but they're going to go head to head. So the JobSmart versus the Marauder Mini. Which do you think will win? It's low with the 3,500, and this is bright. Okay, spotlight on the JobSmart. Tree. Going up towards the tree. Okay. Spotlight. The Marauder. Spotlight comparison.